Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating on how you can calibrate your Hydro-Air P38. It is very straightforward, so let's get started. All you have to do is press Cal once and press enter on calibrate. And here you can see that there's a calibration page where it shows you the slope for the previous calibration. Press enter. And for the first point, you have two buffer selection. The first is the 7.00 and 6.86. Right here, we are going to simulate a 7.00 pH and we're going to press enter. Now you see that the cal is blinking, means that calibration is in progress. So when you see that the reading has stabilized, you are going to press enter to lock in. And as for the second point, there are 5 buffer points. The first is the 4.01 pH. The second is the 9.18. The third is 10.01. The fourth is 12.45. And the last one is 1.68. So I am going to select 4.01 and I'm going to press enter. So you can see that the cal is blinking and the reading has stabilized. So for now, we're going to press enter to lock in. Once you have locked in 2 of the values, it will display a result page where you can identify if the calibration has passed, and as well as the slope of the sensor. Press enter once to exit and press mode once to exit again. That is how you calibrate your Hydro-Air P38. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.